Greetings, friends. We now find ourselves in the Schuykill River Park here, and there's Walnut Street. Above this is Walnut Street. This is the park. Now over here we will find a mural depicting some great moments in the Phillies history. Depending on who you talk to, it would be the 1980 and 2008 World Champions. Now, if you ask me, because I'm a Yankees fan, it would be the fact that the Phillies lost the World Series to the Yankees in 1950 and 2009. So that's their two notable accomplishments for me. But otherwise, it's 80 and 2008, and there's Tug McGraw up on the right. Now we commence. Oh, over there you will also see train tracks. So I'm hoping to see a train. We commence here. And there's the Schuykill River and Schuykill Expressway. I believe I hear a jogger approaching. Yes, we have more joggers. And there's the 30th Street train station. But tomorrow I'll be taking a train to New York. Oh, sorry.
Hi, doggy.
So here we have the share the road, keep right. So there we have Schuykill River Park and a boat hanging from the road. What about that? Now hopefully we'll see a tree.